Hey guys, it's the Dead Gamer, and today in this video we're joined by Princess Lily. Aren't we, though?
I'm Night Lily.
Yeah.
No, that's you. You're Night.
So yeah, guys.
No, that's me. That's my house. That's my house, Ty.
Yep, that's your house.
I'm making it in the room so I can hear everything.
Yep. You're making a roof, aren't you?
What?
Totally. You're making a roof.
Yes, I am.
Yep. That's good then, isn't it?
That's a good. That's a good one. That's a good house. No, I'm making a library.
Oh yeah. That's good then, isn't it? Okay.
That's a good library?
Yep.
But first, I put some this back.
Yep, so there guys. Hope you like this video. This is going to be a fun season of Minecraft. I keep getting ticks. Here we go, guys, and then we do this one, and then this one.
And you're talking to me, but
Oh, sorry.
you're not me.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, guys, hope you like the video. Isn't it?
So why are you talking to?
People.
There's no people here.
Why don't I just make another chest? I don't know.
No, you're talking to me.
Yeah, I'll talk to you.
And you're not me.
Yeah, no. So, my weapons chest.
No, that's no weapon chest.
Is that your weapons chest? Okay. This is gonna be storage, yeah?
Yeah. No, I'm making a library.
Alright.
That's my library.
Alright, guys. Peace.